Welcome to the concept of Ikigai, a profound Japanese philosophy that teaches us the secret to a long, happy, and fulfilling life. Ikigai is found at the intersection of four fundamental elements. Number 1. Cut to close-up of What You Love segment. First, let's explore what you love. This is your passion, the things that bring you joy and excitement. Think about the activities that you can lose hours doing, the ones that light a spark in your heart. Number 2. Pan to What You Are Good At segment. Next, we have What You Are Good At. These are your talents and skills. When you do these things, you do them well, and it feels almost effortless. These are the gifts you can share with the world. Number 3. Transition to What the World Needs segment. Then we consider what the world needs. This is your mission. It's about recognizing the needs of the world and understanding how you can contribute. It's where your work makes a meaningful impact. Number 4. Move to What You Can Be Paid For segment. Now, let's look at what you can be paid for. This is your profession. When you can earn a living by doing something you excel at, you found your vocation. Number 4. Zoom out to view the full Ikigai diagram. And right in the middle, where all these elements converge, lies Ikigai, your reason for being. It's the balance of love, skill, need, and reward. Number 5. Cut to the image of the central Ikigai overlap. Finding your Ikigai means you're waking up to a job that feels like a hobby, tasks that feel like play, and work that fills you with purpose. Number 6. Final shot of the whole diagram again. So we ask you, our viewers, to reflect on your own Ikigai. What lies at the center of these circles for you? Share your thoughts with us and join the journey of discovery towards a meaningful and joyous life. Thank you for exploring the essence of Ikigai with us. Remember, the journey to your life's fulfillment is as beautiful as the destination.